Okay, so today I have 2 part-time jobs you can do from home. I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to jump right into it. The first one comes to us from the company due-diligence. They're a marketing company with a focus on law firms. And right now they have an opening for a social media and content creation specialist, and this is a part-time only position, and you can do this job anywhere within the United States. So in this role, you'll be responsible for managing social media for due-diligence clients. They want you to have a strong background in social media design and PPC, and you possess a strong understanding of social media, content creation, and digital marketing. You should be highly skilled in managing multiple projects simultaneously, and you have an exceptional knack for communication. On a regular basis, you'll design and implement organic and paid advertising campaigns across social media channels and design and implement social media strategies to increase brand visibility and traffic across all platforms. You'll manage and optimize paid social media campaigns across all the popular platforms, focusing on budget allocation, performance analysis, and ad optimization. You'll create high-quality, engaging content suitable for each platform, including text, images, and video, and stay up to date with the latest social media trends and technologies. You'll integrate new tools and platforms into strategies as appropriate. You'll also analyze and report on the performance of social media activities and paid campaigns and collaborate with creative and account management teams to ensure brand messaging and identity consistency across all digital content. You'll also engage with online communities and respond to comments and customer queries on time. So they're looking for someone who's curious, you have a great work ethic, you're intelligent, you're coachable, you're self-motivated, and you're resilient. Ideally, they want you to have 3 years experience in social media management and PPC marketing and 2 years experience in content creation. They'd like you to have a proven track record of driving client success in a digital marketing environment, and you have strong project management skills with the ability to manage multiple projects simultaneously. You have a creative mindset, you can demonstrate the ability to develop strategic content for various digital platforms, and you have excellent written and verbal communication skills. You're proficient with digital media software tools and social media management tools, and you're able to work with a diverse team and keep everything on track. They'd like you to have significant knowledge and experience in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn pages and advertising, CallRail, Optimizer, and ClickUp. And they'd like you to have a general knowledge of software applications such as ClickUp and Google Apps. And this is something that's really important. They want you to put an asterisk next to your name when applying for this job. So don't forget to do that. That way they know you're serious and you read through this entire job lead. So because this is a part-time position, you're really not going to get any benefits except for flexible time off and mental health days, half-day Fridays. And as far as pay, they don't tell us how much they're going to pay, so I had to do a little bit of research. So I turned to their profile on Glassdoor, and they don't have a job listing for this exact position, but they do have similar roles, and it looks like Juris Digital is a pretty good payer. So for example, an SEO associate can earn anywhere from $24 to $44 per hour. Freelance writers make $27 to $49 per hour, web writers $28 to $51 per hour, so I'm willing to bet you can earn anywhere from about $25 to $30 per hour for this job. So if you like this job, you can find the direct link in the description below this video. This is job number 1. Our second part-time remote job is with Savista, and they provide revenue cycle management for the healthcare industry. So they're looking for a revenue capture auditor, and this is a part-time remote position. You can do this job anywhere within the United States, and I'm just going to scroll on down here to see if they show us how much they pay, which they do. They're going to pay between $28 and $32 per hour. So you'll be working 20 hours per week, performing reviews of charge capture and billing related issues by reviewing medical records on behalf of hospitals and physician practices. You'll audit patient accounts as assigned using Epic Work Queues, Charge Capture Audit Module, and accounts assigned by the client to decide charge accuracy based on documentation, compliance, and system-related issues. You'll also review medical record for accuracy of surgery level assignment to correctly coincide with procedures performed, and review visits and perform charge research and edit clearing for visits identified by the client. You'll also review patient accounts and assign Epic Work Queues for clinical and billing issues and correcting issues before billing, and provide patient logs identifying patient accounts reviewed, including detailed charge discrepancies and resolution of charge code. And they tell us they want you to participate in monthly meetings to review results of the project upon client request. And I'm assuming because this is a remote position, this can be done virtually. So they're looking for someone who has a high school diploma or a GED, and they prefer you have charge audit experience in pediatric surgery setting, and that's just preferred, that's not required. However, they would like you to have at least 2 years experience working with managed care reimbursement, and you have the proven capability of doing medical coding. You're analytical, self-motivated, you're able to train and mentor team members, you have excellent oral and written communication skills, and you can demonstrate the ability to navigate Internet Explorer and Microsoft Office. You're able to work individually as well as in a team environment, and you're able to work effectively with cross-functional teams to achieve goals. And you're also able to meet performance objectives. So they list a few preferred skills, and these are just preferred, they're not required. So they want you to have experience with Epic. They tell us that's required, but they prefer you have uptime experience. They also prefer you're a registered nurse or an LPN. They prefer you have experience working with or for a hospital or hospital system with more than 250 beds. They prefer you have experience with both hospital and physician contracts. And they prefer you have prior healthcare experience in accounts receivable, follow-up, and payer communication. And all of those are just preferred, they're not required, with the exception of experience with Epic. So remember, this job pays $28 to $32 per hour. If you like this one, you can find the link below. This is job number 2. Alrighty, we just went over 2 part-time remote jobs. Hopefully one of them works out for you. Good luck to all of you who apply, and as always, thank you so much for popping in, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.